Well guys, another year has come and it's starting to be rainy season, so I'm going to be replacing the windshield wipers on my 2016 Honda Pilot, and the driver's side one takes 26 and the passenger one takes a 24. I actually bought these probably like 4 months ago at Target and they were on sale. I believe normally these are like 20 something, 30 something dollars each. I got them for $5.14, and I think this one was also another $5.14. So I say it's basically like 80-90% of total value of these. And they are Rain-X, which is a really good brand. They just had them on sale because it was summertime, so I usually recommend buying them in the summer and installing them in the fall and winter time. So let me show you guys how to install these. Very simple, very easy. So it's really easy. You're just gonna put the windshield wiper from the set position to the top position, and then you just pull it downwards. You just pull it downwards and it pops out. And then you just set it down, grab your new one, and then all you do is flip this over to this side, and then you just slide it in there, and just like that, this one's on there, so you can now do a passenger side. You're gonna push it this way, like this, and then it comes out. You're gonna hook it on there by just putting it in there, and then you're just gonna slide it out, and then you're gonna hear a little click, just like that. Time to inspect them. It looks like the brand right here is also Rain-X, so not sure if these are OEM from factory. Honda has a contract with Rain-X. I'm assuming these are also aftermarket, and they honestly weren't too bad. They weren't damaged too much. Out here in California, usually they're like a little bit brittle, and you can see that the rubber starts to dry up and crack. Since this heat, it's pretty crazy out here. I'll say these are still pretty good for another season, but the fact that I got the other ones on clearance and they're on sale, why not just swap them out? And if you guys want to wash your windshield, use this Rain-X automotive glass cleaner.